In northern part of India lies the beautiful state of Uttarakhand. Blessed by the natural beauty, it is also crowned by the Himalayas. Due to various temples and pilgrimage centers, Uttarakhand is often referred to as Land of Gods. This beautiful face of Uttarakhand turned monstrous in June of 2013 as it was struck by one of the country's worst natural disaster. A multi-day cloudburst centered Uttarakhand, causing devastating floods and threatening landslides which affected 4,200 villages, killing more than 5,700 people. Due to the massive intensity of the disaster, help was not reachable to all the affected areas.
16 तारीख को आपदा आई थी, फिर हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा पाए, गांव में दूर के गांव में गए इधर उधर।
हमारा जो भी घर था 6 कमरे का मकान जो था वो सब पूरा चले गया। तो एक गाड़ी थी, दुकान था और घर का सारा जो सामान था सब चले गया।
While the whole country felt helpless, Tata Motors pledged to provide helping hand to the innocent lives stuck up in the disaster. The Tatas have a history of standing by the nation during the times of natural calamities. Tata Motors analyzed the situation and understood that the majority of the help is being provided in the area of Gharwal, where the temples of Kedarnath and Badrinath are located.
कितने परिवार रह रहे हैं गटर सीधे?
वैसे तो बहुत है, 36 से 37 परिवार हैं, 37 से भी ज़्यादा होंगे।
तो क्या नुकसान हुआ आपके घर में? क्या नुकसान हुआ आपको? क्या
हमारे को सारी ज़मीन चली गई है, मकान चले गया है।
ज़मीन चला गया, मकान चला गया।
A team from Tata Motors Mumbai promptly left for Uttarakhand and joined the Tata Motors Pantnagar team.
During this crisis, the employees of TML, the union leaders, and the CSR teams worked together as one team with a single purpose of ensuring that the relief actually reaches the affected people. The biggest challenge, of course, was to assess the situation and grasp the actual requirement. The approach roads was not existing, which meant that the support team had to travel through tough and dangerous terrains to reach the areas. In spite of all these challenges, the entire team fully demonstrated the spirit of ACES.
After analyzing the situation, the team of Tata Motors was sent to the unreached interior areas of Pithoragarh. Munsiari and Dharchula were two highly affected areas there. The very first relief truck to Munsiari, loaded with various food materials and drinking water, was also mobilized by Tata Motors Pantnagar plant within just one day of the disaster. This material was distributed to around 400 affected families.
In our actual community assessment that we had a visit to different villages, we had a talk with the village guys, the panchayat, the local leaders, and we could actually assess the kind of damage which is there. So we decided to first provide them those kind of support which is required to start the life. So we had provided to some 500 families in around 5 to 6 villages which were completely destroyed. We were the first corporates, or we were the first even in terms of NGOs. Nobody has reached there. We were the first to reach there.
In Munsiari, the affected villages of Bangapani and Chota Bagad were the choice for distribution of relief material. The entire village of Bangapani was destroyed by the flood. This was also the site for tents provided to the villagers. The team communicated with the affected families to understand their requirements.
With a 5-truck load of relief material that we procured from Haldwani, it was brought to Pithoragarh. We took a storage space from the government in their PWD guest house, and this was a huge task of managing this huge resource to be made in a way that we can distribute it to the distressed family.
Tata Motors provided each family with 2 beds along with other relief materials that contained all the necessary kitchen amenities to cook the provided food. Looking at the need of safe drinking water, they were also donated Tata Swachh water purifier. As they all lived in tents, Tata Motors had also provided security locker to store their valuables. It was also seen that since the affected areas were uphill, it was inconvenient for people to sit. Looking at this problem, Tata Motors then decided to provide them with 2 chairs to each family. Distributing the relief material to so many affected families was also a mammoth task. However, the hard work of Team Pantnagar made it easier. Also, few ladies from a nearby self-help group volunteered their time and rushed to assist the rescue mission. The relief material was distributed by hand-to-hand delivery under the supervision of the team members, volunteers, and district administration.
We at the Tata Group have excellent rapport and relationships with the government, which helps us and gives us a head start over many other corporates. With our dealerships, who helped us majorly in arranging logistics, procurement of supplies, and also helping us with the administrative issues, we went and reached out to the communities in just 2 days post the disaster. Our MD appealed to all our employees to contribute a day's salary if they wish to, and Tata Motors also contributed an equal amount, and a whopping 5 crores was collected for this effort.
The efforts from Tata Motors do not stop here. The company has already begun with the efforts to heal the affected lives.
Post the short-term immediate relief, we are now working on a long-term rehabilitation plan. We intend to utilize our ecosystem, that is our dealers, our transporters, our service centers, to give meaningful employment to the youth trained in the affected areas. Our long-term plan involves adopting close to 10 villages wherein we will support the entire infrastructure, including housing, shelter, school, hospitals, medical facilities. One of the key agendas will be vocational skilling and giving options for the youth to work in areas other than agriculture and tourism.
I would once again want to wholeheartedly thank all the stakeholders who have supported us in this effort and cause.
टाटा कंपनी ने जो भी कर रखा है हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा कर रखा है।
बहुत बहुत थैंक यू जी कि हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए।
सामान टाटा कंपनी ने दिया है, जिसको हम बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं।